Hi guys, today we're going to work on our R-controlled vowels with words that have the and sound in them. So on these lines here, we're going to use these vocabulary words, these spelling words, to fill in the blank. So write the spelling word that is an antonym or opposite meaning, or a synonym or the same meaning of the bolded word. Number one, individual, a synonym, that means the same. So which word up here means an individual? If you said person, you are correct. Go ahead and write person. Number two, I spent all my money. So what would be the opposite, an antonym of spent? Well, if I earned money, I haven't spent it, that would be the correct word. Number three, decisiveness. Now that's a hard word, decisiveness. It's a synonym. We're looking for a synonym of decisiveness, which is determination. You're determined to finish. Okay, straightened. So if I straighten something, what would be the opposite of straight? Would it be cultures, liberty, turned, 30, or first? Well, the only one that makes sense is turned. If it's not straight, then I may have turned it a different direction. Okay, and the easiest one of them all, number five, last. What's the opposite of last according to our spelling words? That's right, first. All right, so in this part right here, we are going to find the incorrect word, the incorrect spelling of a word, and we're going to write the correct spelling over here. A noun names a poison, place, or thing. A poison? That doesn't make sense. That's not the correct word. What word should that be? That's right, it is person. Okay, number seven. The chef cooked food from vultures from around the world. Vultures? He cooked food from vultures? No, that's not right. Which word sounds like vultures up here? That's right, cultures. The Statue of Library stands in New York Harbor. Library? That's not called the Statue of Library. That's not the correct spelling. What is the correct spelling? Liberty, right there. Don't forget to capitalize it. I counted at least 30 species of birds at the zoo. 30? That's not right. That should be 30. And our final one, due to his termination, Tomas achieved his goal. Termination? What about determination? That's what it should be. All right, we should be all done with that. Go ahead and flip your paper over to the shift in verb tenses. On this particular activity, I will do 2 of these, and you will do the rest on your own. Sometimes in writing, you may need to shift between writing about the past, the present, and the future. When these shifts occur, the verb tense should also shift. For example, the children planted seeds that will grow into vegetable plants this summer. So planted is past, because they already did it, and will grow is future. Okay. Mary will return the library book before she gets a fine. Okay, same thing, will return is present tense, or is future tense, and gets is present tense. All right. Is past tense. I am out for a walk, but soon and we have to use the word run in here. So if I'm out for a walk right now, but in the future I'm going to run, how would I say that in a complete sentence? So I would write, I am out for a walk. That part's all staying the same, but soon what do you think? I ran, but soon I ran, but soon I run, but soon I will run. I will run. Period at the end of my sentence. So all these words that you see inside of the parentheses here, you are going to be changing them to be either present tense, which would be the word, for example, run, or walk, so this would be present. Past tense would be ran or walked. So I'm either adding that ed or I'm changing the vowel. And future, you usually add the word will in front of it. I will run, or I will walk. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 2. After I run around the block 10 times, After I run around the block 10 times, I stop, I will stop, or I stopped. Think about if it makes sense. So let's start by writing this first part. After I run around the block 10 times, I will stop. Okay. All right, your job is to finish this. Down here, you are using the correct tense. I achieve my goals, so I sleep well tonight. We're not using the word achieve. You need to change the words achieve and sleep to either achieved or I will achieve. And sleep is either so I slept or I will sleep well tonight. Nathan practiced or will practice, played or will play. And when you're done, make sure you turn this packet in on Friday, October 16th. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your teacher. Thanks.